Have I not warned you and your lousy people not to step your feet inside this river again? Have I not warned you?
The river that belongs to me, Umunalo owns this river.
How?
What belongs to my community?
How?
What belongs to Umunalo? You're worrying me. You cannot do anything, Chifokoria. You can't do nothing.
Listen. Yes. This river is a secret land that my forefathers bequeathed to us.
That's your forefathers. But my great-great-grandfathers gave it to me. Yes.
My great-grandfathers fished in this river. Leave it.
That was there.
I will not warn you again.
It belongs to me.
I will not warn you again.
I must possess my possession.
I will not warn you again.
If you dare me, I've warned you 1, 2, 3. If I warn you the 4th time, I will show you the color.
Hey! Okay! I will show you.
We shall see.
I will show you.
The battle line is run.
Okay. Hey, okay.
Omona Olo and the Omona Okigwe, which has a sacred lifeline. The water is blessed by the gods with the powers of healing, prosperity, and fertility, accessed through peace and unity.
This is the net I told you about.
Hey! Kawaro. These people have defiled the sacred water of our land. Hey! What do they intend to achieve? They have actually dared us by placing this net across our own river.
This time around, we are going to fight back. The people of Omonolo, they have stepped on our toes countless times. And this time around, we are going to fight back.
Ikenna, summon the warriors at once. We shall show them that we are valiant men of Omonoki. Hey!
Where are you going?
Chief Okorie sends for us.
Anytime I hear that name, I can only think of one thing. What does he want this time around?
I am not sure. But when I get there, I shall find out. But don't worry. I'll be back very soon.
Very well then. But please, be careful.
Don't have to worry about me. I'll be careful. You too. Be careful.
I will.
I'll come back shortly.
Take care.
Go well.
My brother, I feel overhyped about this whole issue.
Of course, my brother. It is through war that we know who is superior and who is below.
I agree with you. There's this saying that when two powers come together, the lesser one goes down, while the stronger one stands out. Oh no, will weep Because what is about to befall them is going to be bigger than they can comprehend.
History is about to be written again. I am very, very happy and glad I am at the forefront of this war.
You move, I follow you.
If not for anything, at least to avenge the death of my parent. Yes, Umunolo has taken a lot from us. A lot! And they will meet their end.
Akachukwu Wannam, if you move, I follow you. Let's go.
Tomorrow is upon us. We are going to fight war and defend our land. We will make sure that we take off their scouts so they don't go to alert their group.
I, the son of Okamba, take charge of this scout. Because I know the terrain. I am the only person that can get close to them without being sworn.
So what is your role in the ambush? What is your role?
I am the ambush! The ambush! I will lead the war! I will ambush them from different corners! I will chop off their heads and feed the beast in the forest! Yes! You will take them by the right! While you cannot, you take them by the left! We must win this war! I must take them off their guards! Yes!
I like your confidence, Akachukwu. Your determination has been a driving force. And that is why you are leading and we are following.
DK.
We are ready.
DK.
I am in!
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Are you ready to fight the enemies?
I'm ready. Let the gods be with us.
Okay!
Up what?
As in,
You're back. Welcome.
yes. How are you?
I'm fine. I know you must be hungry, right?
Yes, I am hungry.
Food is ready. Let me go to you.
I shall be here waiting. Oh, my favorite. Listen, Mecca. Sit. It would be. Yes, sit down. Listen there. I want to ask you for a favor. And it must be granted by you.
Okay.
Tomorrow, I do not want you to leave this hut or the environs. Do not go anywhere. In fact, you have to confine yourself inside this hut. Please, I beg you. Tomorrow is war.
Brother, I will accept on one condition. You have to promise me that you won't be going to war tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
What are you talking about? I am the chief warrior of our land.
They can go without you.
I have a duty. A duty to protect our people. To protect lives and properties.
Brother, you're the only one I have. I can't afford to lose you.
Do you know that these people killed our father? They killed our mother. They held our brothers captives. Our mothers were raped and taken as concubines. They want war, and war they shall get. I don't want you to say anything. Do not come out tomorrow. And that is final. Eat. Eat with me.
Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us. When will this war come to an end? 'Cause every day we are losing our loved ones to the cold winds of death. We can't continue fighting every day. Me and you, maybe room, maybe room, maybe room, maybe room, maybe baby, spoil the world because of unforgiveness.
Okunuma na mmiri pụtara ibe ha nara ekwu ụgwọ. N'oke osisi pụtara ibe na ọ nara ekwu ụgwọ. Nkiri nkiri ka na-ekiri odudu mejiri ododo enyi ozu. Amụ ibu otu n'ogwe. Ọ bụ sọ ogwe ka apịrị akị nwoke m. Gbuo dike ụbọchị ọgwa mmanụ chọba dike n'ike. Etu aka ọ dị. Iyi ukwu nwaọcha etikwuo gị n'ehihie, tikwuo gị n'ụtụtụ, tukwuo gị na mgbede, tikwuo gị n'etiti abalị. Guide and protect our youths at the battlefield so that victory shall be theirs and ours. We shall go into laughter as they come back safely. May they be victorious. Iyuku, Okay, mmiri na-ebu ogwe. Nwacha. Anyị keneghe. We lift you up. We praise you. Protect these children so that they will be victorious. Protect these children so that they will be victorious. Eyuku.
Akachukwu, we sympathize with you on your loss. From the bottommost part of my heart, I cry the same tears as you. Ndo, Karubi. But I need you to know that even as you fought so bravely today, this battle is still far from over.
I swear. I swear by the gods of our land, I will rain blood on the people of Ubunano. I must avenge my sister's death. I will not stop until I kill each and every one of them.
My young warrior, one thing should be clear to you, that this your path is never the solution to the problem. Revenge can only deepen the wound. Seek peace and not war. Please.
Peace?
Yes, peace.
Oh boy, if you sit there and tell me to embrace peace, what for? Like I said earlier, I will kill the people of Ubunano one after the other. I can't go with chop off their heads, their carcass, and throw into the evil forest. I will fight. I will kill. I will sell their brothers and sisters into slavery.
Bam.
I must avenge the death of my sister.
Bam.
I will.
Bam.
I will.
What are you talking about? He must say bros on your
What are you not talking? The old man does not stay at home while the goat delivers its status. Instead of advising this young man, you are talking as if
war is what they want to win.
Umunalo killed my parents, and now they killed my only sister. Just like that. You killed the only child that my parents left with me. I swear by the gods, Umunalo, I will kill you. I am going to sell my soul to devil as collateral. I will kill you. I will kill you.
Oh, and the bezel. And the book will Anya won't to Anya on our Laura. Well, you're dressed so beautifully like this. Where are you going to? I hope you know it is not safe. You are not going out of this village because it's not safe for you.
Yes, Nam. I'm only going to see my friend Choma. I will not go out of the village.
Please, don't go away from the village because it is not safe for you. Go and come back safely. Hmm?
Okay.
Make sure you come back in time.
Alright, I will.
How are you doing?
I'll go. I'll see you.
Hi. And then a bed, Jagoro.
Warrior, are you not tired of this fight?
You are our enemy's daughter. You're not supposed to be here. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm here. What can you do about it?
You don't dare me. If you dare me, I will not hesitate to chop off your head and feed the beast in the forest. After all, you are our enemy's daughter.
You are also our enemy. Yet I'm here. And that's because I seek peace.
Peace? Is there such thing as peace?
Yes. There is such thing as peace. And we can make it happen. I lost my mother and siblings in this war. Who else needs to die before we end it? I do not know about you.
Peace. Peace, peace. Is that even possible?
Yes. It is possible. If we are in it together.
This might be a trap for all I care. I will not fall for it.
And what makes you think that I will risk my life to prove a point?
Aquamonagi maybe rewind. Aquamina spoil the world because of up.
Ezinne! 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 No, 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 don't do this. Ezinne! 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 Ezinne!
You have to promise me that you won't be going to war tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
What are you talking about? I am the chief warrior of our land.
They can go without you.
I have a duty. A duty to protect our people. To protect lives and properties.
Brother, you're the only one I have. I can't afford to lose you.
Do you know that these people killed our father? They killed our mother. They held our brothers captives. Our mothers were raped and taken as concubines. They want war, and war they shall get.
Brother.
I don't want you to say anything. Do not come out tomorrow. And that is final.
You will not believe it though. Immediately I saw the guy. All of them. They disappeared. Akachukwu. Akachukwu!
Kenna, are you saying anything?
I have said a whole lot. I even demonstrated how I attack my enemies. I didn't say anything. What's going on?
I don't know. I feel like I am caught in between two worlds.
How do you mean? It's not clear.
Ikenna, for how long shall we continue fighting ourselves? For how long shall we continue shedding bloods of innocent people? This is 4 years of bloodshed. 4 years of pain and agony. Unending war. We can't even come out of our huts unarmed. We sleep at night with our eyes wide open. How long?
Akachukwu, let it not be what I am thinking. No! Let it not be what I am thinking. It seems you forgot. Let me remind you. You vowed to avenge your sister's death. Are you telling me that you are now considering peace?
No, I would rather die than have that thought in my head.
Let us go.
did what?
Chuma, can you bring down your voice? I could get into trouble if someone hears you.
Well, thank God you know you could get into trouble.
He was harmless, Chuma. If he wanted to harm me, he would have. I won't even stand here talking to you.
Well, you got lucky. Next time you might not what I'm even saying. There will never be a next time.
I need to see him again.
You will not. I forbid you. You cannot see him again.
I am sorry, Chuma. I have to see him. He could be the only way out of this. Listen, you need to understand me. I beg you.
Never. You will not see him again. Never.
Can you bring down your voice?
I forbid you. You can never see him again. What are you saying? What's wrong with you?
What do we do?
I don't know. I have lost a lot to care. I watch my entire family wipe off the surface of this earth. I lost my only sister conversing for peace. I watch her die in my hands. Blood gushing out like the flow of the stream. My only sister died for peacekeeping. She ended up dead.
Listen, I understand how you feel. I also lost my family in this war. It is just I and my father that survived. And that is why my father is driven with hatred and revenge. But revenge will not solve any problem if more people die. Listen, we need to put an end to this.
I don't care if thousands more die. It means nothing to me. I have nothing to lose. Not even my life.
What if this anger that has taken away your emotions, and this blood-tasting man that you have become caused you to lose me? What if I die next?
Lose you? I don't care about you, woman. I don't.
Look me in the eyes and tell me that you do not care about me. And I will let you do what pleases you. Say it.
What are you doing here? Are you insane?
Kachiko, what's going into your heart?
What for what? Your people are not allowed to come into our kingdom. What if someone sees you?
Where you are is where I want to be. I cannot stop thinking about you.
Then this might be your end.
Then let me die. Can't you understand that we are destined to be together? I love you.
I'm sorry, Norma. I do not share in your feelings. I do not share in your love. I don't want to be part of this. So I want you to leave. Go back to your kingdom and never return again.
Very well then. If this is what you want, then so be it. I'll leave!
What is going on?
There is nothing.
No, have you forgotten I know you? You're like a sister to me. If something is going on, you know I know.
I went to see him.
At where?
Chuma went too far. I think I have overstepped my boundaries.
Hey! May the gods forbid it! What is wrong with you, Norma?
What would you have me do, Chioma? What exactly do you want me to do?
Let me ask you a question, Norma. Is it peace that you want, or him? Because I do not understand this anymore. Norma! Norma! You will answer my question today.
What are you doing here? The guards they will feed your flesh to the wild animal if they see you here.
Will you allow that to happen?
There is nothing much I can do. You are foolish for coming here. You have to leave.
That was exactly how I felt when you came looking for me. But I know something is certain. I will not allow anyone to lay their filthy hands on you. I will protect you with everything in me.
Akachuku, my father will skin you alive if he sees you here. Go, you have to go.
Then I'm ready to die. I'm ready to die smiling knowing that I had a glimpse of your beautiful face before joining my ancestors.
You don't have to say that. How will I survive without you? I cannot survive without you. Don't say it again, please.
Even after everything I did to you, do you still love me?
Yes, my love is not fragile. Listen, you have to go now. Just meet me at the stream at sunset. Okay? Go.
You are mine, I won't let you go. You are my breath, love me. You are my strength, people love more, love, Obi more.
Obi.
Oh. The woman that shines brighter than the sun. I couldn't wait to see you.
Neither could I. The moment this hide and seek be over, what do we do?
I don't know. Gods of our land, please, just show us a sign. Just a sign. I don't know what to do.
You, look. What is that? Come.
My children, the Iyugu River blesses those who honors it together. Only in unity shall its true power be revealed. The two kingdoms must come together as one. They must come together as one. Only in unity, only in unity shall they access the power of the river.
Unforgiveness is a poison that breeds hatred. Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us.
This world is full of mystery. Just hold on.
Something. How?
My children, the power of Iyugu River is is ancient. That's what binds us together. But its blessings is granted only in unity. Only in unity.
This is the same thing. Wait. Why was this not revealed before now?
There are those beyond our villages. Foreign traders that benefit from our division. They spread lies to benefit from the river's wealth. That's it.
We must end this. We shall bring peace and unity to our kingdom.
And this? It is not easy, my dear. Because the scare is deep. Very deep.
But we can try, at least.
Yes, we can try.
We can try.
It's alright.
No man shall benefit from this river. No man from this land. Okigwe and Alu, none of you shall benefit from this river unless unity is achieved in this land. None!
The water feels different today.
It is calling for us to listen. We must find out what it truly means.
All I ever hoped for is for us to be in peace and unity. But right now, I am scared.
What are your fears?
But what if it doesn't go well? What if we are pushing for more war? Mazi Ogbuefi said that it's not going to be easy.
Mazi Ogbuefi did not say it is not possible.
Can if you give up?
What hope will be left for people like me? You know I derive strength from you. We can do this together.
Come.
My brother.
You look surprised seeing me. Besides, you've been scarce. What is going on?
Scarce?
Yes.
Me?
Yes, you of course.
No.
I have been coming to your house countless times and I did not see you.
My brother, I have been busy running errands.
For who?
I was on my way going to my farm. There's a trap that I set for an animal. I'm very, very sure that by now it must have caught a very big one, a very big leopard.
That sounds very good. But let me tell you something. If you get to that place and your trap gets anything, I am going home with it. Because you've stressed me enough.
It is okay, my brother. Let us go.
Okay.
My children, the Iyugu River blesses those who honor us together. Only in unity shall its true power be revealed. The two kingdoms must come together as one. They must come together as one. Only in unity. Only in unity shall they access the power of the river.
Only in unity. Unity. How is that even possible? Where do we start from? Where?
Maybe fast now. Ah. Eh, what have you found out so far?
Nothing.
No, ma. Nothing. Or you just don't trust me enough to tell me.
Well, I'm sorry, Chama. I'm just trying to be careful.
Careful of me. I am not your enemy. I am on your side. If not, I would have told your father already about your foolishness. But you don't want to tell me, Abby? No problem. Now I know where I stand in your heart. Just be careful. Be safe. Yeah, I'm going home.
Chama, it's not. Chama.
My brothers, we have fought war. Endless war. We've lost our brothers and our sisters. It is time we seek the truth behind this conflict. What truth are you talking about?
Akachukwu, I'm asking you, what truth are you talking about? It seems you've forgotten what I will remind you. Your sister is in the dire skill for this same truth that is not forthcoming from anywhere. And you are here discussing peace and truth. It is not going to happen.
To what end? I ask you again now. To what end? Must we continue to sleep at night with our eyes wide open?
If that is the only condition for me to wake up the next morning, I will open my eyes wide open. Let me tell you, it's even better for me to die in the war front than to sit back here under the illusion of peace or truth that I don't know and watch my enemies who are moving around this village freely looking for my head. Ikenna!
Ikenna! Let us make things right. Aka. What if they refuse to cooperate with us? Then we must show them the strength of unity. We must meet the people of Umunolo, talk to them, not as enemies, but as brothers. There is no harm in trying. Let us talk to them first.
On the contrary, I will be killing them one by one. That is the only thing that will make me happy.
I will deal with them. I will never spare anyone.
Father.
Nonsense.
Father, we have suffered enough. The river that we cherish can heal our wounds if we can work together.
Then what of the Okigwe people? They are our enemies.
They are victims of this feud just as we are. Father, something is not right here. We have to be brave enough and extend a hand to them.
Indeed, what an old man says, sitting on the floor, can never be seen by a child, even if it climbs the tallest Iroko tree. Norman, why don't you give way from men's business?
To what end, Father? Are you not tired of fighting? I am asking you, Father, aren't you tired?
I will never get tired until I slay all my enemies and bury them one after the other. Have I made myself clear? No. No, man. What was the meaning of that which you displayed today?
Father, I am tired of losing everyone. Who else needs to die before we end this war? We need to make peace.
Norma, you won't understand. You won't understand. There is nothing like peace between
Umunno Kigwe and Umunno. Nothing! Listen, whatever it is, let such never repeat itself. Have I made myself clear? Am I well understood?
Because of unforgiveness, because of anger inside us.
Ogwefi,
my son,
I don't know how to go about this anymore. It is like I am walking through a path that have rough patches. An unending road. Seems like I'm walking blindly, without a focus.
Akachuku, my son, don't worry. Take it one step at a time. Yes, the gods are with you. This is your destiny. Though it may be delayed, but it can never be denied. I am solidly behind you. This is a phase. Everything will be alright very soon.
Buefi, thank you so much. I appreciate.
You're welcome, my son.
You always have a certain word to keep a man going with strength. I pray the gods of our land continue to bless you with wisdom.
Obim, this is tougher than I think. We should invite both parties to a gathering close to the stream. And then, we should demonstrate the power of unity.
This could be very, very dangerous. What are you talking about? Old wounds runs deep.
I understand. But it's worth the risk. I mean, we cannot let fear dictate our future. Our fate. We can't.
See, I don't think this is a good idea. Until both parties make an attempt. Gathering them at once could stir a wave of anger.
So what do you think we should do? What do we do?
I don't know, my love. I don't know.
Then let's go with initiative and bring them together. What is the worst thing that can happen? What?
We must gather both villages at the river. We must show them the strength in unity.
What unity are you talking about, Akachuku? Have you lost all sense of reasoning? Have you lost your mind? In Akachuku? How could you suggest such a thing? That we trust our own enemies? Enemies of Omona Okigwe? We should trust them after all they did to us? After all they did to you? Hey, eh?
It's your call. We must stop our children from paying for the sins of their father. The sins that they know nothing about. Women and children are always the victims of war. It is enough.
It is enough for you, Akachuku. It is enough for you. Like I said before, let me say it this final time. We shall never trust the enemies of our land.
But trust is built, not given. This is our chance to heal.
Oh, now look me in the face, young man, and let me speak to you. We shall continue to war. We shall continue to fight. We will not stop fighting until the best side, which is Omona Okigwe, wins the war. Read my lips, Akachuku. Do you read my lips?
It is easy for you to say. Because you don't go to war.
Akachukwu.
You don't fight again. You hide in your hut. While my brothers and I go to war.
Akachukwu.
I watch my brothers being slaughtered like chicken. Yes. Our brothers taken as captives. Our women raped and killed. Some are taken as concubines. Most of my brothers don't even come back alive. I beg you, Chie Okorie. Let us put an end to this war. It is consuming us.
Father, please. You have to reconsider. Please. Let's meet at the river and show our commitment to peace. Who needs to die before you have a heart?
What if they come with weapons?
Then we will stand on our ground and face them. If we don't try, there is no way we would know.
Let me ask a question. On whose side are you?
On the side of peace, Papa.
Peace. Peace. Peace, my foot! Peace, my foot!
Akachukwu. Why Akachukwu? Why would your people do a thing like this? I thought you meant every word when you said that you wanted peace. I thought you meant it.
What are you talking about? Those men weren't from my village. I swear! I don't know them.
You dare lie to me? How could you? My father was right. I shouldn't have trusted you.
No, ma.
Who are those men?